What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview, guys. Today we got our higher low. Got our higher low today, just what we were planning on yesterday. We said any back test where we wanted to see any back test into 44.50. We called it really. We're gonna hold tomorrow. They didn't. We went right up to where 44.75. So we said just a perfect game plan. If you're able to take the long there, congratulations. Is anyone a little skeptical that we are running into a huge data print tomorrow being here, the core CPI? CPI, that is the consumer price index. That comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is 1 hour before the market opens tomorrow. Everybody will be watching. Okay, so you want to wake up early for sure to see that price action and the reaction. Now, I'm going to say this. It does not matter. It does not matter what the numbers say. It only matters how the market reacts. Okay. Inflation could come in at 10 and we could be at 40 fucking 600 tomorrow. It doesn't matter. Don't try to be a macroeconomist and just be a trader. Just be a trader. Okay. Nonetheless, though, guys, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll have to look out for that decision. There's a BOC, that's a Bank of Canada interest rate decision tomorrow. That comes in 30 minutes after market open. I think that could cause some sort of headline bomb, whether we get a pop, we get a drop, something. I think that'll be something to keep into account for tomorrow, to know that that data could come out 30 minutes into the market open for us tomorrow. Then don't forget PPI is the following day. But for tomorrow, I think as long as we get our higher lows tomorrow, depending where they are, I'm gonna more so full expect some sort of either gap up or gap down on the cash ETFs. Obviously, the futures will trade in the morning. I would think we burp up right to this 4,500 or we go right back down to the 4,400 tomorrow, right? 44.20, 4,400 tomorrow. So just depending, right? Just depending where they are. I think 4,400 could be a long. I think initially we need to get over 4,500 within the first 15 minutes or so of open. Maybe it happens in the pre-market. I don't care, because over 45.09 opens up 45.25, 45.75. Above there, 45.09 will be a big level though. So if we can get above this 4,500 here early in the morning, I think that'll be better off for more upside continuation. But just know what, this is the top of our balance area we've been in here. So this will be a big level. It would be more ideal to clear it, right? To clear it, maybe clear above, right? 45.09, maybe come back test this 4,500 and then get long from there. That could be a game plan. You could look to long this 4,400, which I will be tomorrow morning, depending on the reaction. SPY, what's going on with SPY? Took a great trade. If you're in the Wolves of Wealth Discord with us, we took SPY calls. We knew that SPY, what do we know? We said we're going to look for the higher low, right? We got the nice gap up. We got the gap fill close. We took calls down here. We rode them to the high. You could have left runners and they went berserk at the end of the day. Great trade. Guys, if you want to join the Discord community, there's a link in the bio. Check it out. Come join us. Come trade. One of the best groups out there. Educational focus. Everything we do is to teach you guys how to fish on your own. Selfless plug there. So if you do want to join, we welcome you. If not, guys, you can keep supporting the channel, hitting the thumbs, liking, subscribing, sharing is always great. That's great as well. But look, for tomorrow, let's see. Can we get higher lows tomorrow? I have no idea. I got no idea what's going to happen. We're going to have a gap up or a gap down in the pre-market. I think as long as we take out 444, though, if we get a break and hold 1 hour candle close above that area, okay, 1 hour candle close above that area, I think we could easily see 448 above there. If not, look down here at 436 all the way down to 434. I do like bounces or longs in this area as well. As we can see, there is some demand down there. Under 434 is 432, 429.50 below there. Guys, QQQ, what's going on with the Qs? Tech was a little wiggly wobbly today as far as like Microsoft, Apple kind of sold off, then came storming back. As you can see, we did hold this 365 level, went right up to where 368. 368 has been a huge level. Let's see if we can hold that level tomorrow, assuming we're going to get a gap up on this cash ETF as well. If we can take out 372, 375, 378 in the cards. If not, and we go down, I would like to see 357, 350 to 360. Those two levels, I would not mind seeing longs in those levels. IWM, redheaded stepchild, been just godly strong, man. Godly strong. Look at this thing. Look at this thing here, 189. Right, 189. We got to it. We got above it. As we can see, we've had this little bit of what? balance in here, right? Balance in this area. It goes all the way down here, but as you can see, we've had some bounce. 1 touch, 2 touch. Now we had this 3rd touch right here. Went above it, held. Now 192 is in its sights, guys, in its sights, right? So for tomorrow, we want to see any back test of 189 flat to hold, but we're probably going to gap down on this, or gap up or gap down on this cash ETF as well. So you'll just need to be a trader, guys. I'm not giving you definite trade plans of exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to give you levels, and you trade around those levels tomorrow, especially if you're going to get a big gap up or gap down on a heavily anticipated CPI print. Now, we could easily not have a gap up or a gap down. I have no idea how the market's going to react. You should go into the market tomorrow with the same thing. You should have a bias to be unbiased to the market tomorrow. Who cares what the print says? Just trade what's in front of you. Okay? Okay? Who cares what the print says? Just trade what is in front of you. All right, guys? That's all I got for you. Of course, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you guys bright and early. Peace.